How do you make friends? Is there a proven process for making friends? Yes, there is, and you don't have to take my word for it. You can take the word of an ex-FBI agent. Here we go.
Hey, my name is Drew, and I've had the opportunity to be connected with highly influential people throughout my career. I've also spent countless hours studying the activities, actions, and qualities of influential people. My goal with this channel is to help you increase your influence in the workplace. If you have something to say, something to sell, or something significant to do, you've got to increase your influence, and that is what this channel is here for. Stay to the end because I have a free assessment where you can measure your influence, and I'll tell you how to get that at the end of the video.
So how to make friends. This goes all the way back to the playground. Some of us are better at it than others. It came a little more naturally to me. I had such a desire to make friends that I focused a lot on learning how to make friends as a kid growing up. Now I have 5 kids. Yes, 5 kids. Actually, my oldest kid is editing this video right now. Love you, Hadley. So I tell my kids, if you want to make friends, you got to be friendly. And it's so true that no matter how old you are in life, if you want to make friends, you've got to be a friendly person. Be the person that you're trying to find and attract, and then you'll begin to attract them into your life. You'll find them, you'll meet together, and it'll be beautiful, right? There's so many implications in that statement, but we will move on. Now, there is an ex-FBI agent by the name of Jack Schaefer that wrote a book called The Like Switch. I've just started listening to it, the audio version, but I had to share his four-step process of how to make friends that he gained over his time being an FBI agent, and how they would kind of recruit spies and stuff. Kind of cool. But it works in our relationships. I've seen it work in my life as well. So this 4-step process to making friends begins with step number 1, proximity. Proximity is the distance between you and another person. If you want to make friends with someone, you have to go and be around someone's, right? You got to be around other people. You've got to engage with people. You've got to be in proximity of them. So what does that mean for you, for your business, for increasing your sales? Then what it could mean for you is being around the target audience for you, joining a networking group for your target audience. Or if you want to have more influence in the workplace, going out for a cocktail after work or going out for coffee over lunch is going to help you increase your influence with the people that you work with, because you're going to be in proximity with them and you're going to begin to build a friendship with them. We are all influenced by the people that we are friends with because we like them, and we're influenced by people that we like. All right, the second step. So we have proximity. Step number 2, proximity plus frequency. You got to do it often. When I joined a networking group, I made a commitment that I'm not going to join 30 groups and go to each one of them maybe once a year. That's not going to advance me. That's not going to build relationships. That's not going to move me forward in my relationship with them. I made a decision that I was going to join one group and I was going to go to it monthly. And I was going to go to every luncheon that they have, and I was going to be engaged, and they would see me. The people in that group would see me frequently. The third step in making friends and building friendships. How do you make friends? That's what we're answering, right? You got to do proximity, be around people, plus frequency, be around them often. And then number 3, duration. So you want to be around them, you want to be around them often, and you want to be around them for a long time. So going back to my networking group, as I'm developing friendships there and ultimately increasing my influence with the Chamber of Commerce that I'm connected to, my networking group that I'm connected to, I'm not only going to the monthly luncheon, I'm going to a couple other events. Now, I'm a speaker, so I volunteer to be an MC at our Christmas party. I volunteer to MC at different activities throughout the year. And during those activities, I'm spending a longer amount of time with them. Instead of being there for 1 hour, I'm volunteering and being with them for 4 or 6 hours at a particular event. Or maybe I'm having a couple meetings with some of the people beforehand. And it's that duration, it's that amount of time that enables you to move beyond the surface level. How's work going? How's business going? What are you doing for fun this weekend? Move beyond that into deeper questions about that person, what's going on in their life, how they're enjoying their life, more emotional stuff that's another level below that helps you connect and build those friendships. And number 4, is intensity. So you want to be around people. You want to, in proximity with them, you want to be around them frequently. You want to be around them for a long amount of time frequently. And then you want it to be an intense time while you're together. And when I think about this, I think about my wife and I. Now, my wife and I was 19 when we got married, and we hung out. We only knew each other 6 months before we got married. And we had been together for about 3 months when we decided that we wanted to get married. We've been married over 17 years now. So I know we blow a lot of statistics out of the water, but a big key to our relationship and our building a friendship so fast, and the key is, just kind of a little marriage tip here, build that relationship on a friendship. I talk to guys all the time, and they're like, yeah, my wife's kind of my best friend. I'm like, awesome, man. That's how it should be. My wife is my best friend, and it just works that way. But the reason why we built a friendship and a relationship so fast, so strong, is that we spent every waking moment with each other. We actually worked together and lived together. And so we knew each other very well, and we really haven't stopped doing that. My wife helps me out with my business today. We're best friends. We do life together. We raise our kids together. And it's that intensity of the time that we do spend together that really builds that strong friendship. And so I want to encourage you to make a commitment to build some friendships, build some relationships with those around your life. When you have friendships, you have people that like you and that trust you. When you have people that like and trust you, you have people that you have influence over, and they have influence over you as well, which is a wonderful thing if they're good people. And so that's how being a relational person and building those friendships will help you influence more people. Influential people are relational people, not transactional people. They recognize and they value relationships over just simple transactions. And that's what I want to encourage you to do as you want to increase your influence in the workplace, through your sales, or through your leadership.
If you found value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. To receive the free influence assessment, simply click on the link below that says Influence Assessment. If you have any questions or comments about influence, please comment below and I will look forward to connecting with you. Always remember, increase your influence, realize your dream.